How to buy from Sweatcoin Shop. So if you want to buy from Sweatcoin Shop, then first you need to open up your Sweatcoin application. Once you open up your Sweatcoin, now you just need to simply go with the shop option, which is on the bottom left. Now once you tap on shop, you just need to simply scroll down and go with the categories, and you can simply choose any category that you would like to shop. So for example, I'll be choosing headphones. Now if you want to buy from Sweatcoin Shop, you just need to simply choose the item, and then you need to go with claim coupon code, which is on the bottom, and then tap on claim coupon code again. Now you just need to simply copy this to your clipboard and then go with website. And once you go with website, then you'll be able to buy the item with a huge discount. And if you don't know how this works, then you can simply claim the coupon code and then visit the partner's website through the Sweatcoin app and receive one Sweatcoin for the first website visit. You can simply scroll all the way down and you will have go to the website option. Simply tap on go to website and it will take you to the website from where you can enter the coupon code and receive a huge discount. So in this way, you will be able to buy from Sweatcoin Shop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.